Hello, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to learn about k nearest neighbor. So what is k nearest neighbor used for is to classify a new data so that it could be classified as some category from several categories. So the steps of using KNN is first we are going to use the number of k neighbors, and then we are going to take the k nearest neighbor of the new data point, and then we are going to count the number of data points, and then we are going to assign the data to the result that have the maximum number of data points. So here we could use the Euclidean distance for the k nearest neighbor. So here is the distance between point 1 and point 2 equals to square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. So next, this is an example on how to use this KNN. So first we are going to determine that key value that is here. I put a 5 as the default, and then we are going to select 5 nearest neighbor from that new data point, that is 2 greens and then 3 reds, and then we are going to count it. After we count it, we are going to assign that data point to the maximum one, that is here. We have the red has the maximum value, so it is categorized as a red one. So now let's code this KNN.
Hello, now let's code this up. So first, actually we could use the logistic regression as a new template. So let's clone this logistic regressions because overall it's still the same except for the functions. So next, to know the library for this KNN, we could use KNN. So we could just search and Google scikit-learn library, and then we could just search for KNN. This, and then actually we could just use this neighbors dot k nearest. No, I think we just search KNN scikit-learn this key neighbor classifier, and then here we have the default key neighbors is 5, and then all of the arguments here. So now, but first we are going to change this CSV file to this file, the social network ads file, like this, and then the rest it's still the same except for this. Here we have the sklearn.neighbors, and then the key nearest neighbor classifier. So we just could create it like this, and then we could fit it. So first we are going to run this code, and then this is not random state, it should be the n neighbors, and then we are going to predict it from this. So and then we are going to create this confusion matrix, and the accuracy score, it's not logistic regressions anymore, it should be classifier like this. So it's 0.93, so it's pretty accurate. So thank you for watching this video, I hope you enjoyed it, and see you next time.